wind down there?
No, sound like a crow.
We can find this trail, pitch up on the side of this hill.
Yeah, you want to walk through them woods.
Do what?
You want to walk through them woods as opposed to walking down to that corner.
You want to drive up top? Right. Sit up on that log, put the deeds 20 yards in front of it. If we got one of these, man, the house one here, it's not big. Down the hill. Yeah, he's like down there somewhere. He's on this side of the road. On this side of the road. This side, south right. That's a bad thing. Sit up on that log.
He shot it.
Nice.
It's up to you. It's up to you. Shh, Charlie, they still haven't moved. It's up to you. It's your bird. You get it all.
Oh my God, his gun was here and the turkey was right there. I could see the whole
I'm
thing.
gonna tell you right now. Have you ever got one on camera?
No.
No. He's 10 years old. He's got the rest of his life to shoot down.
Dude, that was...
What do you mean he's never missed? What do you mean? 3 shots. He only shot 5.
No, last year.
Oh, last year. Yep.
3 shots, 3 turkeys.
That sure is a little. Look at these spurs. My belly button's bigger than them things.
Oh, you're doing a good job.
That was good. I
I'm
knew.
sitting here saying, it's on camera. It's on camera.
I couldn't hear any of
10
it.
years old.
I was hoping they'd come in and try to mess with them decoys. I
Oh,
swear
he
to
was
God.
close, dude.
I know. I thought that 4th one was a tom.
I kept hearing you say, "There's a tom in the back."
Yeah,
I've
I
seen
thought-
4 jakes. I was like,
I saw once I saw him come up. I saw a stick or something. He must have brushed, and I thought I saw a beard, and I was like, "That 4th one's a tom. That 4th one's a tom."
I was just like, I
Dude,
can't
I
hold
can't
the spot. I was
even
just
believe.
like,
Hey, I was like this. Dude. This is the way I was sitting. Oh, no. Oh, yeah. I was sitting just like this, and I was like, this is what I did. I was like,
They creeped up on us
is
so
he
quiet.
filming this crap?
Yeah.
Oh, my God.
Man, but see, they came in quiet, and that's what was crazy. I just happened to peek over, and I was like, "There's a turkey."
So,
Get your
right
gun.
when he said that, like,
hey, we got 2 turkeys, man, we do.
yeah. He was
But your
like,
daddy called him. He's like, maybe you're down there in the creek.
I told you. That's where they're always at. I didn't think they was
he was
jakes, but
like,
I just looked over and I was like,
"What?" And I was like,
God.
Oh, yeah, dude. As soon as I heard, if you want to shoot one, that gun was like, that one turkey was like this. Uh-oh. This could be bad.
oh man, 718. That ain't bad, son.
Let's throw this thing in the truck and go get another one.
We can't. We're on tags now.
How old are you?
Huh?
How old are you?
22.
You gotta be 16 or under. But you know what? We could just
17.
17. We could we'd probably get one gobbling on camera a little bit, just goofing around for 20 minutes. So I'm probably just gonna breast this sucker out. I'm not gonna do like we did yesterday. I don't think we're gonna keep them spurs.
Why not?
They're too small.
No, they're not.
All right, we'll keep the spurs.
Keep the beard. Do the same thing.
Where's the beard?
I'm telling you,
Tiny. Oh, well, actually, it's not
you're
that.
3 inches.
2.5.
Maybe that looks like stuff.
Oh shoot,
Measure
what a
that
day.
real
That was beautiful.
Yeah, I'm like,
They came up the perfect
it's a
spot.
beautiful thing. It's on camera.
Yeah, I was
He's
like,
10
Dad,
years
it's
old,
on the
let him
camera,
whack
so
it.
that's what I'm taking. I was just like,
I was getting ready to pull up my shooting stick. And I was actually thinking in my mind to line them up. Line them
Both heads. A couple times they were
Oh, I
both
know. I
lined
was
up.
scared.
yeah, they were red and kind of, I was just
He
like,
actually took that shot with the one behind it. I'm surprised he might
But
have.
it was standing up
Yeah.
real tall.
No, I tell you what, yes, you're sure you're a good shot, that's for sure.
Hey, well, hell, man, we got hell. They was right here. Well, look, you need to flop around. Was he this far?
Yeah, I think he was this far. They might have been right here. He was right here when he shot him.
oh, yeah.
So that's really what, 20 yards with a 410. That smoked him.
Dude, he's killed 3 birds in the 410.
Yeah.
3 shots. You get to save another shell.
Yeah. So I don't know.
Hey, if you want.
Hey, you know what? Walleye tomorrow is gonna be incredible.
How good of a day? How good of a weekend are you?
Yeah.
He's about ready to let 4 turkeys walk
Dude,
away.
we could. I guarantee you could have got on top.
You ain't
I
guaranteed.
Dude,
guarantee.
my first right here, I thought, oh, yes. Right when I shot, I was like, oh,
What do you
okay.
mean I'm not guaranteeing like Tom? I guaranteed Tom yesterday. I guaranteed Tom yesterday. But yeah, I got this. This place is like. Look how pretty this is.
This thing is light. I'll carry this turkey.
Heck, man, the daggone DNR is gonna put you on the cover.
Start walking, Charlie. Let Zach get you walking. It's an awesome view
Hey,
from the
I
back.
don't know what I'm doing.
But you know what? I honestly do think I like something. If they're not big and cutting,
Tonight I'll have a look and try to find my face again. Buried beneath this house, my spirit screams and dies again. Out back a monster wears a cloak of Persian leather. Behind the TV screen, I'm falling to my knees. I said you got me where you want me again, and I can't turn away. I'm hanging by a thread and I'm feeling like a fall. I'm stuck here in between the shadows of my yesterday. I wanna get away, I need to get away. Blanket of silence makes me wanna sink my teeth in deep. Burn all the evidence of fabricated disbelief. Pull back the curtains, took a look into your eyes. My tongue has now become a platform for your lies. I said you got me where you want me again, and I can't turn away. I'm hanging by a thread and I'm feeling like a fall. I'm stuck here in between the shadows of my yesterday. I wanna get away, I need to get away. Now you know, yeah, you got my back against the wall. Oh God, I ain't got no other place to hide. Chained out like a sitting duck, just waiting for the fall. You know, yeah, you got my back against the wall. Deep in the jungle, camouflaged by all the fallen leaves. A hand holds up the sky while shamefully I make my plea. The altar's calling, but my legs won't seem to stand. Guess I'm a coward, scared to face the man I am. I said you got me where you want me again, and I can't turn away. I'm hanging by a thread and I'm feeling like a fall. I'm stuck here in between the shadows of my yesterday. I wanna get away, I need to get away. Now you know, yeah,
Jim knows the best. Like, let me tell that story. And turkeys are running off. And
Then they,
what's wrong?
that's when they get
Oh,
away.
the camera.
Those are always good.
What's today's date?
I said I wanted to shoot that turkey, and you're like, don't shoot it.
Shh, don't tell people that.
I'll tell them.
Yeah, and then shoot if you
Did
want.
you just try and walk out of the view
Hell
of the
yes, I
camera?
did.
You failed.
Ah, it's wide. It's a wide.
It's
wide.
Come on in, let's go. Yeah! Let's go! Alright, okay. Alright, okay. Return to the Mac. Get up what it is, what it does, what it is, what it isn't. Looking for a better way to get up out of bed instead of getting on the internet and checking a new hit. Me get up. First shot, come strut walking. A little bit of humble, a little bit of cautious. Somewhere between like Rocky and Cosby's for the game. Nope, y'all can't copy yet. Bad moonwalking, and this here is our party. My posse's been on Broadway, and we did it all way. Chrome music. I shed my skin and put my bones into everything I record to it. And yeah, I'm on. Let that stage light go and shine on down. Got that Bob Barker suit game and Plinko in my style. Money, stay on my craft and stick around for those pounds. But I do that to pass the torch and put on for my town. Trust me, on my INDEPENDENT shit hustling. Chasing dreams since I was 14 with the 4-track bustin'. Halfway across that city with the back crush shit. Labels out here, now they can't tell me nothing. We give that to the people, spread it across the country. Labels out here, now they can't tell me nothing. We give it to the people, spread it across the country.
Here we go back, this is the moment, tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over, so we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us. Here we go back, this is the moment, tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over, so we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us.
Nah, can I kick it? Thank you, yeah, I'm so damn grateful. I grew up really wanna go fronts, but that's what you get when Wu-Tang raised you. Y'all can't stop me, go hard like I got an 808 in my heartbeat. And I'm eating at the beat like it gave a little speed to a great white shark on shark week. Raw, time to go off, gone, deuces goodbye. I got a world to see, and my girl, she wanna see Rome. Caesar make you a believer, nah, I never ever did it for a throne. That validation comes from giving it back to the people. Now, sing this song and it goes like, raise those hands, this is our party. We came here to live life like nobody was watching. I got my city right behind me. If I fall, they got me. Learn from that failure, gain humility, and then we keep marching.
Here we go back, this is the moment, tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over, so we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us. Go back, this is the moment, tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over, so we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us.
So we put our hands up.
school, cause I am such a fool. And I don't need a single book to teach me how to read. Who needs stupid books? They are for petty crooks. And I will learn by studying the lessons in my dreams. So turn off the TV, cause that's what others see. And movies are as bad as eating chocolate ice cream. They only sicken me, don't let me play football. I'll sack the quarterback and jack top brother of the ball. I'm a troublemaker, never been a faker. Doing things my own way and never giving up. I'm a troublemaker, not a double taker. I don't have the patience to keep it on the up. I picked up a guitar, what does this signify? I'm gonna play some heavy metal, listen, you will die.